Hi YouTube, welcome to the Jaylee Sunshine Show. I'm Elise, and today I am reviewing a couple of great and fun toys for you, future followers. Let's begin. Okay guys, hello. We are reviewing the toy Monster High Graveyard Garden Party. It has 371 pieces and is the ages 6 and up. It is Mega Blocks and it has so many pieces to it, and it has Laguna Blue, Cleo Denial, and I love the way it has all the little music notes and the background is just so cool, and how little light flashes down, and my favorite Laguna Blue and Cleo Denial, and all the little tiny accessories and the little purple gate. Purple is my favorite color. And then all the little pieces in the back. The background's very cool. Has little pieces. Okay guys, cannot wait for the very fun part. I already opened the little size of it. We'll already have a little sneak peek inside of it. And has so many pieces to it. Purple and black. Then another purple and black and gray. The little accessories. Another purple and black. And these are the little people. And these are like the platforms. And more flat pieces. And the little journal book. All the little pieces and what is inside of there and how to build it. It's so awesome. Okay, so now we're going to look at the little pieces individually. This one, it has little black pieces and some purple ones, and some are multicolored with little mix of blue and purple and green. And they look so cool, like it's just like you molded Play-Doh together. And it's just so blocky. And then this one, it's more pieces except they're flat pieces and more multicolored stuff. And a little bit of gray too. And this one, these are more like longer pieces and bigger, and a lot more purple ones too that have more multicolored stuff. And this one, these ones have flat pieces of the platform, and a lot of other pink and purple and blue colors, solid colors. And then the pillar, and then a little gates right here, and then little white looking clear pieces. And so many other cool stuff inside of here. I even see a little cup thing inside of here. And in this one, this is Laguna Blue and Cleo Denial. And their little phones and their little purse and this little skull cup thing. And their feet can move too, their legs and their knees. And this sings, and it's cool. It lights up. And it's just like very cool. It's like awesome. Like, what kind of toy does that? Especially if they're like little blocky toys. And it's just so cool. This one, it looks like a journal, very cool journal, but it's really describing the little characters of Laguna Blue and Cleo Denial and all the other things you can collect. Other dolls, little Lego box things. And then it shows you how to put it together. It's very big. It looks like humongous thing. And then in this one, it shows every piece inside of here. This shows you when it's all done. Can't wait to put it together.